Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some citizens of Rivers State have called on the immediate past governor and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, to bury the hatchet in the political face-off with his successor, Similaye Fubara. This is coming as the situation continues to deteriorate despite several appeals by stakeholders for both parties to sheathe their swords and embrace the December Peace Pact by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
The political feud between the former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, and his anointed successor, Governor Similaye Fubara, has continued to degenerate despite many efforts to salvage the situation. It will be recalled that after an initial failed attempt, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu successfully mediated a peace deal between the two parties, expecting them to put to rest their differences. However, the peace deal seems to be less than satisfactory for the former governor, who has continued to vent.
Forget about these hungry noisemakers on the road. When the time comes, we'll know who is in charge or who is not in charge.
For his part, the governor, Sir Fubara, who has demonstrated his resolve to embrace peace and pursue development, reassured Rivers people of his commitment to remain focused on governance.
What they want is this red biro. He's still with me. They have failed.
The political impasse further divided the hitherto PDP-controlled State House of Assembly, with a 26-man pro-Wike faction decamping to the opposition APC, a development many believed was in furtherance of their earlier impeachment move against the governor. With the clouds of dust refusing to settle, many are not happy that the needless development is taking a toll on governance in the state, with some critical aspects of governance at a standstill.
It's affecting everyone. There are projects that are being put on hold, and some certain things the governor wants to bring in place or bring in play that he cannot due to what is going on right now.
Businesses are down, unemployment rate is high, and there is no focus anywhere, no direction.
And if we keep on going, it will affect the state. It will not attract foreign investment to the state. They may feel that there is crisis in the state, and where there is crisis, nobody will like to go and make any investment there.
Tired of the unending drama and distraction in the affairs of the state, the people of Rivers are calling on the Minister of the FCT to steer clear of governance issues in the state and face the responsibilities before him, noting that Governor Fubara should be allowed to exercise his legitimate authority as the elected governor of the state.
As this one already sit, allow him to sit, because him sit in Abuja. How can you from Abuja? He hide there here. Actually, he support.
I am begging Wike to stay off, to just stay clear and let Fubara do what he's supposed to do.
Ready to embrace peace and forge ahead, Governor Fubara had gone against all odds to accept and implement the peace deal in the interest of peace and prosperity of the state. Though normalcy has not returned to the political terrain in the state, it is the expectation of all and sundry that the former governor will sheath his sword and allow the incumbent governor to attend to the developmental needs in the oil-rich state.
Inside the Niger Delta,